Hi, I'm Nick Sorrentino. If you know me at all, you know me from libertyandeconomics.com, where I talk about business issues and economic issues and political issues. But today we're going to talk about one of my other passions, and that is weather. We are in beautiful Fauquier County, Warrenton, Virginia specifically, one of the leafy suburbs of Washington, D.C. As you can see, it is snowing. This is a big storm that we've been told about for days now that was coming. It's supposed to be historic. We'll see. As you can see, we've already had more than our fair share of snow this season. In December we had about 18 inches. Then we had another 6 inches probably, I don't know, a few days ago, a week. That's left on the ground. But over here, this had actually melted down to the ground. And as I document the snowstorm, we're going to use this as a baseline. So it's been snowing for maybe a couple of hours. It's above freezing, so the snow is really gloppy and wet. And it's sticking to everything, of course. It's starting to stick to the trees. It's beautiful. But anyway, this is going to be our baseline. And I am going to document this storm in Fauquier County again, which we are about 45 miles southwest of Washington and about 15 miles west of the Blue Ridge Mountains. For all you folks that don't get to enjoy this storm or to suffer through it, as the case may be. Enjoy, and I'll be back in a few hours. Some more pictures.